How are you? I hope all are fine. In previous class, we start CWO first lesson. Already we write 3 question and answers. In today, we write next questions in CW. Okay? All are right CW before what I said? All are sent to your adapted teachers? Okay. In today, fourth question. Already in textbook 2, fourth question given. Collect any food item and write the ingredients and manufacturing date like that given. Once see the textbook and answer the question only. Okay. Write yourself. Take any food item packet. And write the manufacturing date and expiry date like that. Question 2 given. What they given? That question 2, write the answer. That is the fourth question answer. Write yourself. Today I write 5 and 6 question and answers. Okay? Start CW now. What is the fifth question given in CW textbook? In textbook, sixth question. Now I write sixth question. Shahina's mother always cooks plain rice. Plain rice. If the same rice is used to make khichdi, payasam, or biryani, how would you feel? Eating those? Here given, Shahina's mother's always cooking plain rice. In that rice too only we make different types of food items. Which type of food items? Same rice is used to make khichdi, payasam or biryani. How would you feel eating those? When we eat plain rice, how do we feel? When we eat payasam, khichdi, biryani, like that, different items with rice, eating time, how you feel? That is the given question. Now I write answer, note down. What is the item given? Write in tabular form. What is the item? Which type of ingredients we want? Ingredients. And appreciation. In which item we eating time? How like we give appreciation? Write in tabular form. Item name, ingredients and appreciation. First one. This one is serial number. First one, plain rice. We want rice and water only as ingredients. Rice and water. Rice, water. plain rice preparation, we use rice and water only as ingredients. Rice when mixed. Rice when mixed with curries. With curries gives good taste. Gives good taste. This is the appreciation. Plain rice. What is the ingredients we want for preparation? Plain rice, rice and water. Enough. Appreciation. How like we give appreciation for plain rice? Rice when mixed with curries gives good taste. When we mix with curry, rice gives taste only. Without rice, without any adding, we don't eat rice. Anytime you eating plain rice without adding any curry or curd like that. Yes, understood. Next one, khichdi. Rice ingredients. Rice, here also write capital letters. Okay, rice. Masala, dalda. Simple ingredients. Simple ingredients I write here. Khichdi flour appreciation. Khichdi flavor makes the mouth watering. It is a delicious food item. Khichdi flavor makes the mouth watering. When we taste khichdi, we feel like this. Khichdi flavor makes the mouth watering. It is a delicious rice item. Delicious rice item. This is the appreciation for khichdi. In plain rice time, any appreciations is not there for plain rice. Next one, third one, payasam. For payasam preparation, we want ingredients. Which type of ingredients we want? Yes, rice, jaggery, milk, kismis, cashew nuts. These are the ingredients for preparation of payasam. How like we give appreciation for payasam? Yes, payasam is liked by everyone. Is liked by everyone. Its aroma means the smell of payasam. Its aroma and taste always makes us hungry for it. When our mother prepare payasam at home, we all are feeling like this. Payasam is liked by everyone. All members are like payasam. Why? Its aroma and taste always makes us hungry for it. When our mother prepared payasam in that time, the nice dish or you prepared today, I get hungry. Now you give some payasam for me. Like that asking all children. Why? That aroma. The aroma means the smell of payasam and taste of payasam also likes everyone. Understood? Next one, fourth one. Biryani. Fourth one is biryani. Veg or non-veg? Veg or non-veg? What is the meaning of veg and non-veg? Or no? When we prepare with the vegetables only, that biryani called as veg biryani. When we add meat to the biryani or eggs, like that time we call egg biryani, non-veg biryani, like that. We add prawns to the biryani, we call as prawns biryani. That also a non-veg biryani. Understood? Here I write veg. Vegetables. What are the ingredients for preparing biryani? Yes, vegetables, masala, meat. Here non-veg biryani, that's why meat also we add. Ghee. Okay, main ingredients only I write here. Vegetables, masala, meat and ghee. Which type of appreciation we give for biryani? Yes, a favorite item. A favorite item for non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians, it has a nice flavor, taste and nutritional values also. Nutritional values also. Okay, note the sixth question and answer also. Payasam, with plain rice, Shahina mothers prepared always plain rice. We prepare with rice different items like khichdi, payasam, biryani. Appreciation for plain rice is not there. When we add curries, in that time only we give appreciation for rice. Without adding any curry, we don't give any appreciations. But khichdi, it is a flavored item. It is a delicious item. Some members like khichdi, and when we thought khichdi prepare our mother like that time, what is our feeling? The mouth watering. Yeah, yes, like that. Next, payasam. What are the ingredients here? Jaggery, milk, kismis, cashew nuts. Payasam is liked by everyone. Its aroma and taste always makes us hungry for it. Next one. With that rice only, we prepare biryani. What are the ingredients here? Vegetable, masala, meat and ghee. A flavored item for non-vegetarians. Favorite item. All non-vegetarians likes biryani very much. It has a nice flavor, taste and nutritional values also. Note down. Next I write seventh question answer. Okay. Sorry, it is the fifth question. It is the fifth question. I I said fourth question write yourself. This is the fifth question. Next, sixth question I write here. What is the sixth question? Yes. Sixth question. List out the names of some plants that grow in your village. Which parts of it are used as food? List out the names of some plants that grow in your village. Which part of it are used as food? Write the some plants names and which part we eat. Which part we eat from that plant. This question also a table form right answer. Okay. Serial number, name of the plant. Next, part of the plant to be used as food. Used as food. Draw like this a table and write the answer in the tabular form. Okay. First one. Beans, corn, paddy, wheat, Bengal gram, groundnuts, etc. Wheat seeds. Wheat seeds. The part of plant. Which type of part we eat for this type of plants? Beans, corn, paddy. Here paddy. Okay. Wheat, Bengal gram, groundnuts. These type of plants we eat seeds. Next one, third one, second one. Brinjal, cabbage, tomato. We extend like this. Here given so many names. Here some only name. Tomatoes, chilies, ladies fingers, cucumber. We raw fruits. Next one, third one. Amaranth, palak, coriander. Some members asking, what is the meaning of amaranth? In Telugu to Totagora, you know. Again, gongora called as sorrel weeds. Understood? Amaranth means the leaves of different leaf vegetables, totokura, menthukura, like that. Understood? That all family is called as amaranth. Okay? We eat leaves. This plant's leaves we eat as food. Next one, garlic, ginger, potato, sugarcane, we eat the part of these plants, garlic, ginger, potato and sugarcane trunks. Trunk. Next one, fifth one. Fifth one is carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. Sweet potato. We eat roots. Okay. This question answer are also complete. We in our villages here this type of plants will grow. Beans, corn, paddy, wheat, bengaga and groundnuts. We eat seeds. The parts of these plants, which part? Seeds. Next one, brinjal, carrots, tomatoes, chilies, ladies fingers, cucumber, raw fruits, like vegetables. Next one, amaranth, palak, coriander, like leaves. Garlic, ginger, potatoes, sugarcane, trunk. Carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, roots. Okay? Note down this one. After completing 3 question and answers time, I already given 4th question. Write yourself that question, and today I explained 2 questions. The 3 questions and answers CW sent to your adapted teachers. Okay? Thank you. We will meet in next class.